Experiencing the dreaded Rogers eSIM stuck on activating message? You're not alone. This issue commonly arises during the profile download or verification process. It's often due to network connectivity problems like weak signal or firewall blocks, device compatibility issues with older iOS or Android versions, or temporary glitches on Rogers' servers. Activating your eSIM involves scanning a QR code via the Rogers app or device settings, followed by network authentication. When this process stalls, it leaves you without cellular service. Fortunately, there are troubleshooting steps you can take before contacting support. Note that as of late 2025, while Rogers has made improvements, activation failures still affect a significant portion of users, especially those on older devices or in areas with weaker network coverage. First, try a refresh. Force quit the Rogers app, toggle airplane mode on and off, or restart your device. This resets the network connection. If that doesn't work, attempt a reset. Delete the eSIM profile by going to Settings, Cellular, Add Cellular Plan, and then re-add it by rescanning the QR code. As a last resort, try a full reinstall. Completely remove the eSIM profile, ensure your device's OS and Rogers app are up to date, and then reinstall the app before rescanning the QR code. Always ensure a stable internet connection, Wi-Fi is preferable, and that your device is unlocked. Backing up your data before performing a reset or reinstall is highly recommended. If these steps fail, contact Rogers support, as the issue may require carrier-side intervention or a new eSIM profile.